Can't find my umbrella. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's me, Allison. It is a rainy day down the shore, and if you know me, you know I love rainy days so much. Everyone in the house is napping, so I'm gonna sneak off and try to hit up some thrift and consignment shops in Cape May, which is only about 10 minutes from here. So if you wanna come, then keep watching, because we're going right now. I've never been to these places before. One is an antique store and one is more of like a consignment situation. That place was amazing. I feel like I could have walked around in there for like 3 hours. Now I'm gonna head to a consignment shop a little deeper into town. Here we go. So it has been a few days since that last clip. I got this haircut, loving it. I thought I was going to get a chance to head back to that consignment shop that was closed, but I didn't get around to it. So I thought I would at least show you what I got at the little antique store that we went to together. And I just got two things. The first is my favorite item. It is this amazing little cabbage leaf plate. It has some markings on the bottom. I love the color, I love the flowers. It's just a lovely little dish. I've been looking for something this shape and size for a little while for all of the bar soap in our home. So we like switched from using the plastic pump soaps. It's just more sustainable to use bar soap. And I really wanted some soap dishes, but I didn't want to buy new. And this is just the perfect little plate for that. I love that the texture of the leaf is enough to like lift the soap off of the bottom of the plate. So that's really cool. I was really excited to find this. It's also very light, and I'm keeping it in the kitchen currently. It's just like a nice little kitchen plate. Love it. And the second thing I got is just this classic little ring catcher in the shape of a scallop shell. I love the glazing. The edges here are kind of rough and textured, but the inside is nice and smooth and shiny. I've been keeping this on my high bureau, and it's just where I sort of take my rings off at the end of the day. Or I could even see myself putting one of these in the kitchen for when I take off my rings to do like kitchen things. I'm just finding that these little ring catchers come in handy all around the house, and I'm already getting a lot of use out of this one. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me for this one and for coming along on this whole adventure. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching the whole video with me. Feel free to tap the like button and subscribe and say hi in the comments. And yeah, I will see you in another video soon. Bye!